So like I said, in technology, you rotate through these different stations. Then your junior year, then your senior year, you're working on designing and building a robot. And let's see here. Yeah, Adriana, would you like to kind of pick up from here?
So one thing I'd like to highlight that's unique about my experience is that although this is a 2-year program, I regrettably only joined senior year. And so I missed a lot of the foundational technical aspects that are taught junior year. And so I jumped right in senior year to the design phase where we built a robot project, but that was exponentially valuable, both technically and learning how to work in a project that has such different skills among the team. So most of your day is spent in classes, but then you have time to do this project-based course senior year. And so it was a great opportunity to expand with classes and get college credit for those, which was very beneficial. Allowed many people in my class to graduate early who went to MTA from college, which was great. And then you have the opportunity to have this kind of independent, autonomous learning session to work on the project. So MTA is set up to allow you maximal benefits, both for college credit and for your own learning.